So I will be writing here a C program where I'm going to use the comparison operators of C programming. So I'm writing here the first line as preprocessor directive, which is adding the standard input output header file. Then I'm adding the main function, which is starting point of execution. Within the main, I am declaring two variables, A10, B as 20, and I will be using the if statement for checking the or comparing A and B to use a condition or comparison operator in the condition on A and B variable. So I first take A double equal to B, and if A is equal to B, then it will be printing welcome, and if not, it will not print anything. So A is not greater than B because A is 10 and B is 20. So 10 is not greater than B. So our condition is false. So if I compile here, we are not closing. Yeah. If I compile, I get 0 errors or warnings. And if I run it, I get nothing in the result. So if I make it 100, A value as 100, it becomes greater than 20. Then also the condition will be false. So we get nothing. Our condition is both should be equal. So if I make both the values as 100, then I get welcome because we are checking for equality. So if A is greater than B, then it prints welcome, otherwise it will do nothing. Same way, if A is greater than or equal to B, I am checking. It should be either greater or equal to. So in this case also, because it is equal to B, I get welcome because the second condition is true, but first is not. So if I make it 101, then A is greater than B. So I will be getting welcome again because the first condition is now true. Same way, if I take less than equal to, so in this case, I will be getting the second condition true. That is, it is not equal. Nothing I will be getting because it is not equal to B, and also it is not less than B. It is greater than B. So I get no result. But if I make it 90, it is less than 100. So now I will be getting welcome because the first condition is true. So double equal to will check for equality. Greater than equal to will be checking it should be either greater than or it should be either equal to. Less than equal to, it should be either less or equal to. Same way, if I write less than only, then it should be less than. So I get welcome because A is less than B. And if I write greater than, it is not greater than B. So I get nothing in the result because A is not greater than B. So based on the condition which we are using, the operator which we are using in condition, we get the if block executed. So if A is greater than B or not, if all that, we can check using the comparison operators of C programming language. So comparison operators in C programming are used for comparing RHS value to LHS. We have the operators like check for equality, 2 times equal to symbol, greater than symbol, less than symbol, greater than equal to, less than equal to, and also we have not equal to, which will be checking if both are not equal. If they are not equal, then it will be doing the block. It will be executing the block. So we can also check if it is not equal to. So if A is not equal to B, then printf by. So here compile and run. A is not equal to B. So condition is true. That's why it is printing by. So these are the comparison operators which are used for comparing the LHS and RHS values. So thank you for watching the video, and please do subscribe channel if you want to get more updates on C language and other programming languages.